Welcome to 2025. Want to earn more money? Here's everything you need to know, my friend. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, one of the best businesses out there. Some might say it's impossible to succeed because of the intense competition. Yes, the competition is tough, but you can overcome it with a few strategic steps. Most people doing affiliate marketing simply find a product and promote it through Facebook ads. This approach requires a significant budget, and it's hard to compete when you don't even have $50 in your wallet. Another common mistake is picking random products or niches without a clear plan. For example, choosing a blender and sharing it in Facebook groups won't result in many sales. However, if you target a specific niche, such as pregnant women experiencing discomfort, and promote products like pregnancy pillows or massages from Amazon, the game changes. These people are what we call hot customers because they're experiencing pain and are willing to spend their last dollar for relief. Promote such products in Facebook groups, Pinterest, or Reddit, and create posts as if you're a woman who faced the same problem. Share how the product helped solve your issue, and people will trust your recommendation. For an even better strategy, you can create an ebook about pregnancy challenges, addressing different types of pain. For each issue, include affiliate links to Amazon products that genuinely help solve those problems. Research the products thoroughly and avoid recommending useless ones. This is just a surface-level explanation, but you can use these insights to start affiliate marketing and make a profit. Remember, this is only the beginning. For a deeper dive into this business, stay tuned for future videos. Don't miss out on these valuable tips. See you next time.